It's like you can
I
see
see
it.
it coming now. There it goes. Wow.
What is this supposed to be?
It's a satellite.
It's heading up into space.
Huh?
It's heading into space.
Outer atmosphere.
Or outer atmosphere. Wow.
Look at that smoke behind it.
We'll feel the rumble and hear it in just a short time. Oh, I bet the boys just pulled up.
It's really going up there quickly though.
We got a sight pretty quick.
Yeah.
Now, at night they're easier to see longer. Last time we saw it go way over there.
It's heading
How often
straight
do
up.
you do this?
I don't know. I mean, we saw one this summer at nighttime, so every 4 months maybe. But they do them during the daytime, and
Look at it, it's wider spread now.
Yeah.
Why is that?
Different stages.
Needs more power, maybe.
Probably changing the stage.
yeah,
fuel.
See, now it's less again.
give it like a burst so they can go through. Like, here comes the boom.
Oh yeah.
Cool though. It's
Hmm.
cooler at night. I like
Never
this.
seen anything like that.
I never
Yeah.
have either. We were really lucky we got to see an eclipse this summer.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, it was.
We were
Look at
down in
that.
Lincoln, Nebraska, where 99% we seen.
Oh, we didn't
The
see
last-
anything.
People come from all over the country.
Yeah.
It's just about gone. Wow. Oh, I hear that rumble.
Well, that's quite a deal.
Oh, I guess. What's that spot right ahead of it?
That's the rocket.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like there's two things up there. I
They,
see the
like,
rocket
They
moving.
separate.
Huh?
They might have parts that separate to give them more power.
Oh. You can hear it.